Parrots' ability to imitate. Parrots have the ability to imitate human voices because they communicate with other parrots. In the wild, imitation serves to strengthen bonds between mates. Taste in butterflies. Butterflies have taste receptors on their legs. This allows them to perceive the taste of a flower when perched on it. Hummingbird heart rate. The heart rate of hummingbirds can reach 1,200 beats per minute. Their small bodies and fast flapping wings require such a rapid heart rate. Range of motion of the owl's neck. Owls can rotate their necks 270 degrees. A special bone structure and vascular arrangement make this possible. Origin of microwaves. Microwaves were discovered by accident in 1945. Percy Spencer, a radar technician, noticed that a chocolate bar in his pocket was melting. Cleaning the brain during sleep. During sleep, the brain removes waste products. This is done by cerebrospinal fluid washing through the brain, expelling unwanted substances that have accumulated during daytime activities.